Hi guys, my name is Dhanashri. Today I will explain another tutorial of OpenCV. Today we'll learn what is image masking and what is image thresholding. First of all, explain the theory. What is exactly image masking or threshold? Image thresholding is a simple form of image segmentation. It is a way to create a binary image from a single band or multiple band image. The process is typically done in order separate object or foreground pixel from background pixel. Okay. Using okay. Masking masking involves setting the sum of the pixel value in an image to 0 or some other background value. Masking can be done in other way using an image mask. A mask is simply an image where some pixel intensity values are 0 and other are non-zero. Using a region of interest used for the image masking. It is a process to threshold the level is selected where all pixel values below the threshold are mapped to 0, black, and upper threshold value is chosen so that all pixel value above this is threshold are mapped to 255 is a white color, that is threshold value. There are lots of methods in this process. A threshold level is selected where all pixel values are below. The threshold are mapped to 0, black, and upper threshold value is chosen so that all pixel value above the threshold are mapped to 255 white. Methods like first method is the CVT threshold image, passing the image name pixel of that color and call the method, that is CVT.threshold OSTU is the first method. Second method is a CV2 threshold image to gray 220 CV2 threshold binary inverse CV2 threshold image to gray 220 CV2 threshold binary. There are lots of methods of threshold mask. What is mask? Masking is the process of separating an image from its background, either to cause the image to stand out on its own or to place the image over another background. Masks are used to exclude certain pixels from image processing or when computing image statistics. Masks are used to exclude certain pixels from image processing or when computing the image statistics. Masked pixels are not visible, they are transparent when displayed. A mask is a binary raster that contains pixel value of 0 and 1. 2 seconds guys, I will open Jupyter Notebook. We implement practically what is the code of mask, what is the threshold value. Into that, we first command is import the first library, that is import CV2. Into that notebook, we implement image masking is the process of separating an image from its background, either to cause the image to stand out on its own or place the image over another background. First command is import CV2 library. Second is the image read, that is create a variable, read the image using imread method, passing the file path location. My image name is lena.png. Another image is nil.gfif. Image equal to cvt.imageRead from our file path location. Okay. We have to check the parameter or shape of the image. Here we create a new three variables row column channel image2 dot equal to shape image1 equal to 0 column row 0 column columns equal to image2. Using image show method we show the image cv2 bed key passing parameter 0 cvt dot destroy all the windows. You can run this command. Okay, these images are here lena.png or nil.png. Okay, another next command is rows and columns equal to image2 dot shape passing region of interest equal to image one parameter here rows and columns. Okay, then next command is convert image into grayscale. You have to change the image color, then you have to create another variable image to gray equal to cv2 dot cvt color is a method passing parameter image name and call the method cvt color bgr to gray. Run this command. Run this command. In second command, you have to create the mask using threshold method. The return is the variable mask equal to cvt dot threshold passing image to gray passing the parameter pixel value of the white color using cvt dot threshold. The binary inverse is the method of threshold. You have to convert this image into the mask to remove the background of the image. Into that, this method is the cvt threshold passing the image array pixel of the white color and the method is the cvt threshold binary inverse. I will run this code to display the see here the background images of totally display errors. Okay. Next method is there are lots of methods of threshold. Another method is we create a return variable mask equal to cvt dot threshold method. The method name is a cvt threshold. We have to check the output here over it. Okay, we see the output. The background image is totally destroy or disappear. And this image is nil.png image is display over. Okay, another mask is the inverse mask. Into that we are using bitwise operator or bitwise not method here. Create a mask inverse variable cvt dot bitwise not equal to cvt dot image show masker passing the mask inverse variable cvt dot pet key. You know that pet key why are you using here? Delay the image into delay the Windows viewer for millisecond. Another method is the cvt dot destroy all the windows. Okay, I will run this command. You can see the output here. Okay, the image is totally just scattered or plotted here like sketch. Okay, into that code you have to all the blackout region of interest can be changed from image one back. Okay. Another next code is using here bitwise and into that here we change the background of image. Into that we change the foreground of image. Output is same. Only difference is that we are passing here mask equal to mask. Okay. cvt dot image show. I will pass the name is mask, then image by foreground, then cvt dot wet key, passing 0 parameter, cvt dot destroy all the images. Okay. I will run this code, then we see the only foreground image and background is the design. Okay. Okay. Another command is that we have to merge. Okay. Merge two images, foreground and background. cvt dot another creative variable dist equal to cvt dot add image foreground, image background. cvt.image show mask 1, comma this cvt.wait keys passing 0 nanometer cvt.destroy all images. Run this command. We can check here the foreground and background is displayed. Okay. So original image is that. Okay guys, today I will discuss only that same what is image mask and what is image threshold. That's it guys. See you soon. I'll stop here.